Good morning, guys. Welcome back to Ride with Thumper. Today we're going to be showing you how to put a sport bike up on a rear and front stand. Alright, we're down here now to show you the stands that we're going to be using today. I've got right here the rear stand. This is from Trackside. Purchased at Cycle Gear. I've had that one probably 10, 12 years. They last forever. This is another one. This is the front stand. Same thing. I've had this just forever. These are the cheap stands on the market and they work great. Your rear stand is going to attach right down here to your swing arm spools if you have them. If you have them, it's going to go right into that little nook right there. If you don't have them, you can flip this over and use the pad under your swing arm. For the front, you've got on your front stand this little nub right here, and that is going to go in a dimple under your forks. Okay, now that we know our tools and we know what we're going to do, it's time to actually do it. Step one, you're going to want to grab the bike near the rear, tip it up, and just find that balance point right there. You should be able to hold it one-handed, no problem. Shouldn't be an issue. When the weight's balanced, it doesn't feel heavy. So you're going to hold that up, grab your rear stand, get under your swing arm spools, and then it's real easy to just lift up. Doesn't take a lot of force, super easy. Okay, now we're at the front of the bike. We've got our front stand ready, and we're going to lift the front. First thing with this, make sure your bars are straight. If your bars aren't straight, it could twist and try to come off of the front stand. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your front stand, get it under each of those dimples, and in one fluid motion, just pick it right up. Again, doesn't take a lot of strength. Anyone should be able to do this. Try it on your own. It's really good for chain maintenance. It's good for taking off tires. Why pay the shop to take off the tire for you? It takes 2 minutes. You know, at the track, it's going to allow you to put tire warmers on. There's a lot of benefits to having a front and rear stand for a sport bike. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in. Hope you got what you came for out of this. Tune in for more how-to videos coming up soon.